In this video I would like to share with you how and what exactly I'm wearing on a daily basis, and these are my fresh purchase from Skechers. It's neon green, as you can see. It's fantastic. It's partly leather, it's breathable, you get breathable mesh here. You've got also the straps here, and it's written here Skechers Los Angeles. So they are made in Los Angeles. The design of them is made in Los Angeles, but obviously manufactured somewhere else. But they are manufactured very nicely with branding here, Skechers, and here is a logo. And as you can see, this is also a logo. I wear size number 6, which isn't so big or so small, it's just a usual size for a female to have, and I'm going to wear them for you. It's air cooled memory foam. Inside it's very soft, it's very comfy, and I'm going to wear them for you. So let's put them here. I'm going to wear socks firstly. I've got plenty of Skechers footwear, and I'm going to make a lot more videos with this brand. Is one of my favorite brand by Skechers, favorite brand for footwear. Like so. I loved the color and I couldn't resist not buying them. They are fresh, they are new. As you can see, it's got a logo here, Los Angeles written. It's got anti-slip sole. And let me show you how they look from the distance. They are so comfy. I hope you like them as well. I love them. I think they are fantastic. Look at them. Stunning. Them. Do you like them? Please write below whether you like them too. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing and for liking my videos, and I love you so much. Bye!